Hey guys, welcome to Lolly Queen Zone, and I'm Lolly. Today we are making Ghanaian Jollof, the perfect party Jollof. A lot of us enjoy Jollof already. Jollof is like our soulmate. What I said just doesn't make sense at all. Hello you all, welcome to Lolly Queen Zone, and I am Lolly. Today I want to give you a step-by-step approach to making the perfect party jollof, Ghana jollof. A lot of us already love jollof. Most of us already know what jollof is, and we already know how to prepare it. And you bear with me that jollof is best made when you make the recipe your own, like you recreate your own recipe. So today I'm giving you a step-by-step approach to making my perfect jollof. So let's just hop right into making jollof. But before that, if you've not subscribed to the channel, or if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel now and turn on your bell icon so that you get notified any other time I post a video.
I'm using ginger, garlic, onion, pepper, some fresh tomatoes. I'm going to blend them. Yeah, there you have it, blended. And then some tomato paste, some sliced onions, and some chicken stock, some mackerel. I'm actually using oba. Look at all that meat in just one oba. Some oil, vegetable oil. And then for my spices, I'm using thyme, basil leaves, one onga cube, one remie, and some salt to taste. And then the almighty rice, because we're making jollof. So I want to heat my oil. And then I'm going ahead to add a few slices of onion to give it the perfect aroma. And then follows my tomato paste. You want to add it till it is well incorporated. And then I'm adding my pepper, blended pepper, and I'm going to mix it. And then I'm going ahead to add my basil and my thyme. And then my chicken broth or chicken stock. You want to add the natural spices early because you want to get out there as much natural flavor as possible. So I'm then adding my blended tomatoes. You see, at this point you could skip the mess this is going to cause by putting your tomatoes on fire for it to simmer down or remove most of the moisture before you add it, and in that case you're not going to make this mess. Okay, so you can do it that way. And then I'm adding my onions, and yes, the chicken broth actually gives it a unique jollof chicken flavor, so you definitely want to get some in there. And I like my onions crunchy, so I usually put them at the last but one. And then I'm adding my mackerel and tomato sauce. If you like your mackerel very finely in your stew, that means you have to break them. But then I like to have a little bit of chunks in there. And I'm going ahead to add my remie spices and my onga. So I use remie jollof, and I'm using some salt. So there goes in my onga shrimps, and then my remie jollof powder. So I actually added the salt. Just that I don't know where it passed. I don't know why it doesn't show in the video. So I took out some scoops of stew because I want to make subsequent ones with my stew. And then I washed my rice very cleanly, and then I added it to the jollof. One thing, make sure you have incorporated the stew and the rice very well, very well before you add your water. And then making jollof is not like cooking normal rice that the water has to be so above the rice. This one, it has to either be at the same level of the rice or just a little above the rice, else you'll be eating rice but not jollof. And I'm adding some more salt because the salt I added initially was to give the stew the perfect salt taste I prefer. And this time around I'm adding a little bit more because I've diluted the salt with water, so I want to bring it to the level I like, the concentration I like. And yes, one thing is you don't need a lot of water to cook your jollof, because just the steam alone can cook your jollof. And if it's still hard, just a sprinkle of water can do it. And from time to time you want to turn your rice so that the rice at the bottom comes on top and then the ones on top goes down. This gives it an even color distribution and allows your rice to cook very well. But that doesn't mean you have to overstir it, else your rice starts to clump up, especially if it's too watery. So 1 or 2 turns every 15 minutes maximum is enough. Okay, and you wouldn't even turn it that much. It's like just some few minutes and your jollof is ready. So yeah, you're covering it and then you make the steam and every principle I have told you work. Then you have your beautifully delicious colored jollof rice with some proteins. You can see some eggs there, and then some vegetables and minerals. You can see the vitamins, the vegetables, and you can see the fried plantain. You want to balance the diet and make it. Yep, I love it. Like, I simply love this recipe. I love it because it was amazing. Okay, this is the perfect way to cook jollof. I bet you. If you've not been using thyme in making your jollof, try to incorporate it. It's very nice. And I like to eat my jollof with some bit of stew. Some more reason why I reserve some stew. I want to add some bit of stew to it, even though it's already colored with stew and all that. I still like my jollof with stew. I hope you love this recipe and I hope you give it a try. So if you love me and you love my channel and you love what I do, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified any other time I post the video, and stay cool, stay awesome. God be with you. I love you all so very much. I'll see you another time.